Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Ascaso espresso machine. It comes to us with no pressure at all. So when I tested, I found out this water valve, we call it air valve also, was totally broken. But in order to reach that, it fits somewhere here, so you need to take a lot of components there. So what we did, we just replaced it and put the machine back together. Let's go ahead and test it. Make espresso shot and see the pressure. This is perfusion, the machine. There you go. And it's giving a great shot. Get that shot. Let's test the steamer. Oh, actually, this is the hot water. That works perfect. And the steam. That's great. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.